Welcome to the Versant 80 press. First thing we're going to do is we're going to discuss the paper feeding options for this machine. We'll begin down here with the 3 paper trays. These are standard on the product, and they will each hold about 500 sheets of 24-pound stock. Positive locking system. We need to lift up the lever to release the tray. Allows us to pull it out. Fully adjustable. We can adjust both the width by squeezing this tab, moving it in and out, as well as the depth or length by pulling this tab and feeding it back. Continuing up the side, in the standard configuration, this machine also has an MSI, multi-sheet inserter, will allow the machine to feed a variety of stock manually from the tray. Multi-sheet inserter will hold about 100 sheets of paper. Optionally available on this product is a high-capacity feeder, which uses a standard 8.5 by 11 or A4, depending on the configuration for either North America or European. And we also have available in this product the oversized high-capacity feeder 3.1, which is just a 1 tray. Oversized high-capacity feeder 3.2, which allows us to have 2 tray options, as well as an oversized high-capacity 3.5, which is a new feature for this family, which allows feeding of 13 by 19 stock. Continuing our overview of the Versant 80, we are going to now look at consumables. Machine has available to us toner cartridges, standard color configuration of black, cyan, magenta, and yellow toner cartridges. Simply replaced by pulling a toner cartridge out, and when requested, we're going to reinstall it with the arrow facing up, and these are keyed so that they can only fit in their correct location, so we cannot inadvertently slip them in the wrong slot. Moving down, the next consumables we're going to look at here are the drum cartridges. Drum cartridges are currently standard configuration. We have 4 drum cartridges, all identical, so they are interchangeable within the product. To remove it, we're going to grab the peach rings. We are going to pull straight up. They must be removed level. Keep it from cocking. Reinsert them. They go in as they came out, nice and even, straight down. Next consumable we're going to look at is the waste toner cartridge. Waste toner cartridge door down here. We're going to push this assembly in and just pull it straight out. And when we reinsert it, it goes down until it seats firmly inside the machine. Close the door. Opening the front door, we have, first of all, our paper path. We're going to turn this handle. That gives us access to the paper path itself. Registration assembly leads into the second BTR assembly where transfer occurs. Feeds into the fuser. This is the new fuser technology. We'll explain that in the later demonstrations. Back here we have our decurler assembly, and then a diverter gate either diverts us out towards the finisher or to our offset catch tray if so attached, or it will feed us into the duplex path, which is available down here for us. Duplex path will feed it back in. Okay, this is the Versant 80 document handler. We have a single pass document handler where we'll feed in the documents. Documents will feed in, pass through underneath here. We'll come across the CV glass here. We have a full half-rate carriage which will position it side for side 1, as well as scanner above that will handle the second side for all documents passing through. Paper path will follow through, come in, pass the scanner, come back up and come to the output tray. Optionally, we can also scan off the glass using the full half-rate carriage and positioning the paper using the upper corner here. This is a Versant 80 UI. Standard UI has available to us copy, email, network scanning, scan to PCs, scan to USB. Available for us, we can choose the number of copies, the number of prints we want to make. Simply pressing the green button will activate the feature